and this is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to talk about my scent of the day story time, okay? So, if you're interested in a little story time from your sis, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go live, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family. I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, honey, let's get into it. So, I just thought, let me do a story time. You know, I haven't done a story time in quite a while.
Let me tell you that story. Once upon a time, deep in the jungle.
Fam, do I have a story for you, okay? And it's about my scent of the day, and I just had to come to my family and let you all know my experience. So let's get right into it, because you know your sis can ramble. So on Friday, okay, and when you're seeing this, first of all, happy Labor Day, okay? Let you know, your sis. Happy Labor Day. I hope you all are enjoying your long weekend. I hope you're doing a little bit of shopping, spending lovely time with your family. I am pre-recording this before I am in New Jersey, okay? Your sis is going to New Jersey, and I am so excited. It's my family reunion. I am so excited, okay? Anyway, so on Friday, I was thinking for my scent of the day, I was going to choose Juicy Flower. Right? From Mancera. If you saw my tray, you saw me talk about that and how excited I was. If you caught the live, I also said, you know what? Juicy Flower was going to be my scent of the day. If you in the live, you know. We see each other. But I'm thinking that was going to be it. And my sis Donna, who always has wonderful ideas, right? So she was talking about some calming scent. So I'm going to put together a video that's coming up like right after. So you're going to see this shirt again. But she was talking about, you know, sis, what is your suggestions for some calming scent? And I said, oh, great idea. Because, you know, Ja's been lifing and we got to get into that. So we need a little bit of calming scents in our life. I see you. So I was like, okay, let me test out WULONG CHA WULONG CHA. Y'all see the bottom, okay? WULONG CHA from Nishane, okay? So I was like, okay, let me test that, because I'm thinking like that will give me like calming vibes, you know, and I can put that in my video, but I want to test it because I haven't really worn it and tested it, all the things, right? So I put it on my body, spray. I'm going to spray it again right now. I'm going to spray it now. When I first put it on my skin, and y'all know where I'm going with this, because if you part of the family, you already know where I'm going with this. So this is gonna be real quick. Maybe. First put it on skin. You know what I got? I got grass. But cutting grass, like new grass. Like somebody mowed the lawn and cut your grass. And the smell that comes from that, that's what I got when I put it on my skin. And mind you, I overspray. Should I not have oversprayed? Anyway, we story time. Okay. My truth. So put it on skin, smell fresh cut grass, lawn grass. And I said, self, do you feel calm in this moment?
All right, that's it. Everyone stop. Just stop right now. Listen up, people. I have anxiety. That means I'm in my shell and have a hard time expressing myself. I find it difficult to engage with others. So everyone shut the up because my anxiety is up here right now.
So let's keep going. So I'm like, okay, just give it some, fresh cut grass. Let's keep going. So then not only did I smell fresh cut grass, then I started to smell lemon. Now y'all already know I did a lemon video. Y'all know what type of lemons I like. And they're probably lemon and gourmand. One and the same, right? A little sweet is kind of my flair. I like some elegant lemons too. But this was very citrusy. Okay? So grass cutting and citrus put together, and that's what I had on my body. And I said, self, you go to work. You go right downstairs and you go to work and because I work from home. Those that know. Okay. So you go right downstairs and you just go to work and it's going to get better. Because I've heard a lot of people talk about this, right? And talk about WULONG CHA, WULONG CHA. And talked about the tea scent, right? And like, it's calming and tea scent, right?
Goose fraba. Goose blah blah. Goose fraba. That's slower. Goose fraba. How do you feel? Better.
So go downstairs, start working, and I am like, why do I still smell like grass? Okay. Go a little bit further. Then I started to say, okay. Now, and this is what I said. I'm going to just tell you the truth. When I sat down, I said, now, I feel like I would have to wear this in a geisha house. Like,
okay, well, check this out, though. First of all, you're throwing too many big words at me. Okay, now, because I don't understand them, I'm going to take them as disrespect. Watch your mouth.
My, like, not that I would be invited to be in a geisha house, because you have to, like, it's very pronounced and regal, right? Like, I think I should have looked that up. Anyway, that's what came to my mind. I was thinking Mulan, okay? Mulan, that's what I was thinking. Now, y'all, then my mind went to spa. I said, well, maybe, okay, maybe this smells like a spa. So then I started saying, now, is the spa next to the grass when it's cutting? Because then, where the tea?
Where is it?
Where the tea? Anyway, needless to say, this is not what I thought my scent of the day of calmness was going to be. And it really didn't do a good job for me for the Friday that I had. It really kind of disturbed me a lot. I will say, if you like this, I love it for you. If you decide to put this on your body, be committed. Be very committed. Because the longevity is longevitainga. Is that a word? Okay, anyway. It lasts very long on your body. Okay, so if you're looking for something that lasts long, WULONG CHA. Okay, lasts very long on your skin. I really wanted to scrub my entire body in that moment and wanted to go with my first thought of Juicy Flower. I just said. But let's get into the notes. So the notes, we have top notes, bergamot orange, mandarin orange, something. Middle notes, oolong tea, nutmeg, fig, and musk. Now, I will say there are some fig fragrances that I do love and do enjoy. And musk, yes. Mm-hmm. But after a while, and I'm going to say it keeps lasting, and I smelt the grass all through. But at the end, right, when I was like, take it off me, shower, bath, right? It started to get real musty.
And what the hell is that smell?
And it wasn't me, because I be smelling good. So it started to turn musky. That's what it did on my skin, okay? So that was my experience. Needless to say, y'all, am I selling this bottle? It sounds like please let me know in the comments, because there are some family members that you love this, because I actually got this suggestion from y'all.
You lied to me.
So, and this is my first and only Nishane experience, and I just probably shouldn't have started with this one. That's what y'all probably gonna say in the comments. Is that yes? Is that I wouldn't have started with that. You should have got auntie. You know, you should have did something else. Okay. I just thought this was gonna be common and spa-like. I don't want to be no parts of the spa. No parts of this spa. Okay. So. Now let me. No. I'm trying to say I was trying to think of like I could put this somewhere. Like I could wear this. Maybe I could wear this to the spa.
No. 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 Hell no.
No. Okay, so it sounds like I'm gonna be giving this away. What kind of story time is this? It's my truth. Okay, so that's all, and that is my story for me. Oh, what you want to know? Oh, is it projecting? It's very moderate. You know, I don't feel like the world would know what I am wearing, nor do I think it will attract people. But maybe somebody has experience where they have gotten compliments with this. Again, I walked downstairs at my desk. I didn't really go outside, so I didn't get compliments, right? My first time experiencing this. So let me know, those that love this, is this like, I should pair this with something and it becomes great? Because I love the bottle. Let's talk about the packaging, you know? Amongst my experience, the packaging is everything. Like this, like I'm scared to get, what is it, Hachibot? That other people talk about too. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. Probably not. But I love this packaging. So I really want to try Nishane again. Let me know in the comments. Like, is there another one that you would suggest that I get? Other than this one? Yeah. I just didn't get the tea. Okay, I was really looking forward to the tea, but I really got fresh cut grass with citrus, lemon to be exact. I didn't get no type of orange up in here. Okay, I'm done. Well, that is all. That is all for my scent of the day story. Let me know if you love a good old scent of the day story, because I can deliver more to you. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no someone tells you that you are more than enough, what? That's your sis just did. Bye, family. I hope you have a wonderful Labor Day. Okay, see you next time. Bye.